I have a bit of a confession, but I'll come back to that in just a moment. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is how utterly beside myself I am with what people are going to think about the King's speech and what he said his ministers are going to do. Now, I have nothing personally against the King and the monarchy and everything else, but if we take a very brief listen to what he says here, he's talking about his ministers and, well, listen to it for yourself and we'll talk about it.
My ministers will also proceed with the introduction of digital ID that will modernize how citizens interact with public services.
Right. So, no one really wants it. No one really likes it. No one voted for it. I don't think anyone will really want to really implement it and work with it. And yet it's worked its way into the King's speech because that's what Labour wants. Labour's always wanted it. They've tried it before. Here we go. They're trying to roll it in. It can't really work without new law and everything else. But that's just, it's what they're doing. They want control. They want to sort of buy and sell you, emphasis on the sell you because of the data. They'll say they won't, but trust me, they will. They will somehow package it up and they'll sell it to the highest bidder, or they'll sell access to it and they'll say, we're not selling your data, we're just selling access to your data and all this kind of stuff, right? So that will happen. And at the same time, they'll want to control you and they'll say, it's not control, we're not trying to control you. But trust me, they are. They will try and control you and they'll say, you can't do this, you can't do that, you can't do the other. And if you want to do this, you've got to do that. And da-da-da-da-da. They will do all of that. And so I'm going to discuss that in greater depth from a legal standpoint on Black Belt Barrister, what I really think about it, point of view on my Off the Record channel. We might slip into some gossip here and there, which is something of what my Black Belt Secrets channel is all about. And we might talk about the financial aspects of it, and that'll be on my Daniel Shensmith channel. Yes, I have lots of YouTube channels for many people that don't know. But as promised at the outset, here's the confession, because whilst it wasn't pure clickbait, I have talked to you about the digital ID and it's in the King's speech and they're rolling it out and we're going to talk about it. The confession is that it was a bit of a bait and switch on my part, for which I apologize. I don't like doing, but it did ensure that more of you clicked on the video to listen to what I've got to say. And that is to say that this channel here is not my main channel or one of my main channels. It's actually been repurposed a couple of times. And now I'm going to present this channel to you, and I think I will call it Black Belt Mastery, because I think I've earned the right to use the term mastery in a number of senses. Firstly, in that I am literally a master grade in martial arts. But let me tell you what the channel is going to be about. I absolutely love helping people and talking to people and spending my time with you, even if it's virtually you're on the other side of the lens here, and helping people solve problems. And so this channel is going to be about solving problems. I avoided calling it audits because it's got a bit of a stigma that I want to stay away from. So Black Belt Mastery for me is going to be about getting in, analyzing things, fixing problems, turning things over, giving you my perspectives, and or whoever it is giving my perspectives for free on this channel to help people unwind problems and make things better. That might be a YouTube channel, why it's not working. I did a poll on Black Belt Barrister earlier, well, just literally about half an hour ago, 45 minutes ago. If I bring it on screen here, I said, I need your help. My at-home channel, because that's what this is/was called, still is at the time of recording, but it'll be switched probably by the time I publish this video, is somewhat spare. And I've so many more topics to chat about, but that don't fit on my other channels. But what should it be? This channel here. And the top item at the moment is YouTube, how to build a channel and all things media. So that can include everything about the thumbnails, the titles, the topics, the talking, the kit, the marketing, the setup, the legalities, the trademarks, the copyrights, the getting sued because I've been sued. There's a really funny story. It's funny, not funny, if you know what I mean, on my main channel about being sued. It ended up costing them £50,000 just to withdraw the claim. They sued the wrong person. Not literally, I mean, they intended to sue me, but they chose the wrong person to sue. Funny story, go and watch it. But top item chosen at the moment with only a few hundred votes in so far. Having just refreshed it, the next up on the list is daily vlogs, which I really love the idea of getting creative and doing, but I genuinely thought wouldn't be anywhere near the top. Next is pure martial arts and self-defense, which is sort of what Black Belt Secrets was originally about back in 2012 when I first started that channel. That channel came first before it became a bit of a gossipy spillover from my main channel here. And then auditing, I've said here tongue-in-cheek just to check you're still reading, because obviously I don't want it to be one of those audit channels. Nothing against them, of course. I mean, I've got various views about those audit channels and I've talked about the legalities and everything else, but there we are. So Black Belt Mastery is to solve problems, whether it's a YouTube channel, whether it's a business, whether it's all those sort of things. That is what this channel is going to be about. And potentially, if I wanted to do the martial arts, I either need to take Black Belt Secrets back to do that, or I need to take it somewhere else, do something else. But just so that you know where I'm coming from in this. All my life, I've dedicated myself to achieving something. And like, for example, I started this martial arts. I started when I was, I think, about 13. That was a long time ago. This belt I got in 1999 is how long ago I got this belt, which is why it's so frayed and everything else. I'm a master 7th Dan black belt in Taekwondo, and I've done this I've trained for 30 years now. And that is one thing. And the point is, there's a motto on my belt. It's written in Chinese. It's sort of combining my love of the heritage of China and Korea. So it's a Korean martial art of Taekwondo, but this is in Chinese. And it says, give yourself no choice. Because for me, the very idea of give yourself no choice, if you do not allow yourself to have a choice in the matter, you have to do it. You have to finish. You have to make it work. And so, for example, this piece of paper here, well, it's a piece of paper for one because I've printed the thing, and it's not on card because it's not a proper, card printed thing. But in one sense, it's just a piece of paper. But in another sense, it's a piece of paper that a lot of trainee lawyers take many years to go through painstaking, like really, really difficult study and qualification to get. It took me a law degree, a Master of Laws, and the bar course and then to go through pupillage and everything else to get this piece of paper, which is my practicing certificate. It allows me to practice as a barrister. And without it, it would be a criminal offence to hold yourself out as a barrister when you don't have one of these. So it took years of hard work to get essentially a piece of paper. And the reason I show you that is it takes that level of dedication, of mastery to get to a certain stage and achieve something. And I want to help other people achieve it, which is why I became a visiting lecturer to the bar school and help them with their advocacy skills, which I love teaching. I love meeting people. I love talking to people. I love helping people and helping people achieve their goals, smash their dreams, everything. And so that's why I do that. So you may see some of that on this channel as well, Black Belt Mastery. And likewise, the privilege, and it is a privilege to have worn a wig in court as a barrister. Again, it takes, like the practicing certificate, it took years of effort and hard work to get there, to achieve that. And the reason I tell you these things is not to brag or anything else. It is to say that I understand what it takes, the effort that it takes, the deep digging in your soul and every fiber of your being to achieve your goals and dreams. And that's absolutely what I want to help other people with, whether it's creating a YouTube channel, setting up a business, because I've been in business all my life, over 25 years, and I've always been in business. So I can help other people avoid mistakes. I've bought and sold properties. Some have done really well. Some were a complete disaster, so I can talk about those. A lot of that you will, of course, find on my money channel, as I call it, my Daniel Shensmith channel. I'll link these all below, which is focused on wealth creation, business, and, of course, money, everything to do with money. But you'll find some of these things here as well. And so that is the direction I'm taking this channel. And I will keep in mind what people say in the poll here and the comments that you've left here. And as somebody said in one of the comments here, you have a vision in mind, go for what suits best. And I like that. That's exactly what I like. So that's my little intro video for this channel and its redirection. I hope you'll stick with me and subscribe to the channel. And I'd love to read your comments as to specifically what topics you want me to cover, because this I'm really excited about. I love talking to people, helping people, and analyzing things. And I absolutely, once I set a goal, I will absolutely go for that goal. And I'd like to take you with me. So do subscribe, come along with me on this journey. And as always, thank you for watching.